Welcome back. We went deep on Amazon so you don't have to. 30 fishing gadgets, some obvious, some you've never seen, all actually worth your time on the water. Let's get into it. This net floats when you drop it. That's the whole pitch, and honestly, it works. PLUSINNO put a foam hoop around the frame. Drop it in the river, it stays on top. The rubber mesh doesn't snag treble hooks, doesn't strip slime coat, it folds down and clips to your pack. Kayak anglers and waders have been losing nets to river bottoms forever. This is a pretty straightforward fix to a problem nobody bothered solving. Baitcaster's backlash. That's just the deal, unless the braking system is actually good. KastKing's Lethal Blaze has magnetic brakes and a carbon fiber drag. Backlashes drop off significantly, even on harder casts. The brass main gear handles the kind of torque you need pulling big bass out of thick cover. Low-profile frame sits flat in your hand. At this price point, it's hard to find a reel this dialed in. Stop digging around your tackle box for a rusty pair of scissors. This Mossy HUK Fishing Tools Kit gives you the ultimate angler's loadout in one sleek package. You get a heavy-duty lip gripper to safely handle toothy fish, a super sharp fillet knife, and aircraft-grade aluminum pliers that cut through tough braided line like absolute butter. It all comes in a slick camo finish with custom sheaths and lanyards so you never drop them overboard. An absolute must-have for your boat. 82 pieces. Fits in your shirt pocket. Costs next to nothing. The Trout Magnet Kit runs small neon grubs on dart head jigs. The jig design makes them fall horizontal through the water column, closer to how an insect or minnow actually moves than most lures, 3 times the size. Works on trout, crappie, panfish. If you fish light tackle, this is worth keeping in your bag. You get to the lake, and your rods are a tangled mess. It's a bad start. SF Fishing Rod socks are expanding mesh sleeves that go over the rod, hold the line in place, and keep the guides from getting knocked around in transport. That's it. Simple fix. Grab a multi-pack and color code your setups. You'll know exactly which rod is which before you even open the truck. If your tackle box has ever gone overboard, you already know. The PLUSINNO waterproof tackle box has a silicone O-ring gasket and cam latches that seal it completely. Drop it in the water, it floats. Your hooks and lures stay dry, which means no rust. Customizable dividers inside let you configure the layout around your actual setup instead of working around a fixed tray. Your rod does not need to be in the dirt. Ghosthorn's rod holders are a stainless steel spike with a V-shaped head. Step on it, drives into the ground. Sand, hard dirt, doesn't matter. Rod sits at an angle, stays put, and your hands free while you wait. Packs flat, throws in any bag. If you bank fish or surf cast regularly, this is the kind of thing you wonder how you went without. Deep hooked fish are a problem. Digging around with pliers is slow, and your fingers are close to the teeth the whole time. The squeeze-out hook remover slides down the line, you squeeze the handle, and it backs the hook out without you touching the fish's mouth. Faster release, hooks come out intact, and you keep your fingers clear. Straightforward tool that solves a real problem. A tackle box in one hand and a rod in the other is a bad way to hike to your spot. The Ghosthorn Sling backpack wears over your shoulder and spins to your chest when you need to change lures. No taking it off, no digging around. Water-resistant fabric, multiple pockets, and a rod strap built into the back, designed around how mobile anglers actually move. Some anglers pack light. This one is not for them. The Baitium fishing backpack fits 4 large tackle boxes in the bottom compartment alone. The top section handles rain gear, extra line, food, whatever the day needs. Rod holders on the sides, dedicated pliers pockets, and thick padded straps so the weight actually carries well. If you're hauling a full kit to the water, this is built around that. Stop guessing how much your personal best weighs. This ultra-compact, water-resistant scale clips right to your bag and uses a heavy-duty stainless hook to weigh your catch instantly up to 110 pounds. It features a bright, backlit LCD screen so you can read it easily during night fishing sessions, and it even hides a built-in tape measure so you can get the exact length. A full day on the water will absolutely wreck your neck and face if you're not covered up. The KastKing Sol Armis Boonie hat is rated UPF 50 with a full 360-degree brim. Mesh venting around the crown lets heat out so it doesn't cook your head on a hot day. Adjustable chin strap keeps it on at speed. Functional sun protection that actually holds up on the water. Heavy pliers dragging your pocket down all day gets old fast. The KastKing FieldLite set is aerospace aluminum, light enough that you stop noticing them, strong enough to back out big hooks. Tungsten carbide cutters handle braided line clean, and the nose is built for split rings. Fully rust-proof, so saltwater isn't a problem. The kind of tool you just leave clipped on and forget about until you need it. Your freshwater setup will not survive saltwater. The hardware corrodes, the hooks bend, and you'll figure that out at the worst possible time. This saltwater tackle kit covers the basics: pyramid sinkers, stainless wire leaders, circle hooks, and high-strength swivels rated for serious fish. Everything is saltwater grade out of the box. Cheaper than buying it all separately, and you show up to the pier actually rigged for the water you're fishing. Most neck buffs fog your sunglasses the second you pull them up. That's a real problem when you're trying to read the water. The BASSDASH neck gaiter has mesh panels over the mouth and nose, so breath vents out instead of straight up into your lenses. UPF 50 plus coverage, moisture-wicking fabric, stays cool when it's hot out. Solves the fogging problem without sacrificing coverage. Cotton on the water in summer is a bad call. It soaks through, stays wet, and works against you all day. The HUK Performance Fishing Shirt pulls moisture off your skin, vents through mesh paneling, and carries a solid UPF rating for full sun exposure. It's built specifically around time on the water, and the fit reflects that. Once you fish in one, going back to a regular t-shirt is hard to justify. Non-polarized lenses on the water just show you a mirror. You're fishing blind. Fishoholic polarized sunglasses cut the surface glare so you can actually see into the water column. Structure, depth changes, fish moving through. Full UV protection, lightweight frame, and the price is well below what comparable optics usually run. If you're not fishing polarized, you're leaving information on the table. Drop your net in a fast river and it's gone. That's just how it goes. The Gear Keeper net retractor clips to your vest with a high tensile spring and a locking mechanism built to handle the weight of a full net, not a badge clip rated for an ID card. Grab the net, use it, let go. It retracts. Simple piece of insurance for an expensive piece of gear. No bites for an hour, and you have no idea why. This tells you the FourQ underwater fishing camera ties directly onto your line in front of the lure and records HD footage of what's happening down there. Structure, fish behavior, strikes, waterproof, built to handle the stress of a real fight on the line. Useful for figuring out what's not working. Also produces some genuinely good footage when it does. If you're shopping for an angler who already has everything, they probably don't have this. The VEITORLD Fishing Multi-Tool is stainless steel with spring-loaded pliers, wire cutters, a knife, and a screwdriver set built into the handle. Covers the tools you actually reach for on the water without adding bulk to your kit. Comes in a gift box with a belt sheath. Useful at the lake, the campsite, and everywhere in between. Braided line and fish gills will tear your hands up over a long day on the water. The KastKing Gill Raker gloves are half finger, so you keep the dexterity to tie knots and handle hooks. Synthetic leather palms grip wet fish without the slip, dry out fast, and carry a UPF 50 rating for sun coverage on the back of your hand. Protection where you need it, out of the way where you don't. If a kid spends the first hour untangling line, they're done fishing for the day. The ODDSPRO Kids Fishing Pole runs a push-button spin-cast reel that handles casting without the backlash problem. Rod is sized for small hands, telescopes down to fit in a backpack, and comes with a tackle box loaded with bobbers, hooks, and lures. Everything needed to actually get them on fish from the first trip. Rusty terminal tackle in a tangled pile is a slow way to start a fishing trip. The TOPFORT 187-piece kit covers the essentials: bullet weights, barrel swivels, snap clips, and chemically sharpened hooks, all under $15. Each compartment has its own locking lid, so the small stuff stays sorted and doesn't mix together when the bag gets thrown around. The kind of thing worth keeping one of in every bag. Pressured fish in heavily fished water have seen every cheap hard bait on the market. Action matters. The TRUSCEND Swimmax runs an 8-segment jointed body that produces a fluid S-curve through the water, closer to how a dying bait fish actually moves than a standard 2-piece swim bait. 3D eyes, sharp treble hooks, works in fresh and salt, built to get a reaction out of fish that have stopped responding to everything else. Dead minnows 2 hours into a full day on the water is an expensive problem. The Frabill flow troll drags behind your boat or kayak in the water. Natural flow through the vents keeps the bait aerated without a battery or pump. Spring-loaded lid locks shut so a wave doesn't cost you your whole bucket. Keeps live bait alive the way it's supposed to, in the water. Standard pliers put your wrist at a bad angle when you're digging a hook out of a fish's mouth. Over a long day, that adds up. The TRUSCEND pistol grip pliers use a trigger handle that keeps your wrist straight while you work into tight spaces. Aircraft-grade aluminum with a Teflon coating, fully rust-proof in salt water. Tungsten cutters handle heavy braid clean. Fish finders used to mean buying a boat to mount one on. That's not the case anymore. The ReelSonar iBobber ties to your line, you cast it out, and it connects to your phone over Bluetooth. Maps the bottom, marks structure, shows fish location in real time. There's a fish alarm built in for when something moves through the area. Full sonar data from your phone, no boat required. Water gets into your tackle box and your hooks are rusted by morning. It happens faster than you'd expect. Flambeau's fishing organizers have Z-Rust technology built into the dividers. It releases a vapor that coats metal hooks and prevents corrosion without any sprays or treatment on your end. Compartments are fully adjustable, boxes stack cleanly in a bag. Passive rust protection that runs in the background while your gear just sits there. $20 for a single lure is hard to justify when you don't know if it works in your water. Catch Co's Mystery Tackle Box ships at least 5 brand-name bass lures per box, curated specifically for largemouth and smallmouth. Decals, technique tips, and a mini fishing magazine included. The format lets you test lures you wouldn't normally buy and figure out what actually produces. You drive past good water all the time without a rod in the car. This fixes that. The PLUSINNO telescopic rod is high-density carbon fiber and collapses down to 17 inches, fits in a backpack, a car trunk, or carry-on luggage. The sensitivity and backbone hold up compared to a standard one-piece rod once it's extended. Keep one in the car and you stop driving past fishable water.